Hello, children. Let us know the lesson. Lesson number 6, Getting to Know the Place We Live in. Find the names of towns in the word puzzle given below. Here, one puzzle is given. You have to find out the names of the towns. So, I have already written the names: Pune, Kolhapur, Latur, Satara, Penn, Thane, Nasik, Washim. Let us know, how does a town form? In very old times, before man began farming, he lived a nomadic life. Nomadic life means not living at one place. Keep on moving from one place to another place. He was dependent on hunting animals, gathering fruit, roots, and bulbs for food. Later, when man learned to grow crops, he started farming. He began to settle where he found suitable land and water. People began to build houses in such places and settled there. They began to help each other in farming. The houses were close by. Thus, settlements were formed. The settlements began to grow bigger. Many settlements merged together to form villages. People felt safe in living in such settlements. As farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. One person could not do all of them. So the work was divided between the people. For example, making wooden implements, repairing them, weaving cloth, making jewelry, and making clay pots. Thus, there were artisans engaged in different occupations. Now, let us see some of the farming implements: spade, gamela, shovel, sickle, rake, pickaxe. A village, town, or city has buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, forts, museums, etc. A place becomes known by these buildings. They tell us about the richness of the place. They also help us to understand our history. These buildings are our treasures. They must be protected. To protect them is our responsibility. A place may also become famous because of a religious place, fair, or fort. For example, Raigad district is known for the Raigad fort. Students, do you know? While returning from Surat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj stopped near Talegaon, Dindori in Nasik district. He had set up his army camp or Tal, there giving the name Talegaon. Damangaon Path in Ahmednagar district was so named because formerly there was abundance of daman trees there. There is a village called Asti Dotar Jodiachi in Partur Taluka of Jalna district. Fine Dotar Jodis of excellent quality were made there. This gave the village its name. Shivram Ari Rajguru was an important revolutionary in India's struggle for freedom. He was one of the three famous revolutionaries Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. Rajguru was born in Khed in Pune district. After elementary education, he moved to Amravati. There at the Anuman Vyamshala, he took up the cause of patriotism. At 15 years of age, he went to Banaras to study Sanskrit. He knew several languages such as Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, and English. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were his close friends. Later, he took part in revolutionary activities and became a martyr for the country. In his memory, Khed, his birthplace, has been renamed Rajguru Nagar. 18th April is World Heritage Day. On this day, pay visit to a fort or national monument, learn about its importance, collect information about the rules for protecting World Heritage Sites. Let us know about Sant Gadge Maharaj. Sant Gadge Maharaj real name was Debuji Jingarji Janurkar. He belonged to Shengaon village in Daryapur Taluka of Amravati district. Sant Gadge Maharaj raised social awareness through kirtans. He had played an important role in creating awareness related to cleanliness and education. He is known as one of the great saints of the 28th century. His village will be forever be remembered for his work in the service of people. People in villages are dependent on weekly markets for their daily needs. These markets sell all essential items, mainly food grains, fruits and vegetables, farming implements, clothes, etc. become available here. The market is a place where people can meet one another and inquire about each other's well being. People belonging to various castes and communities attend the fairs of folk deities of masses in Maharashtra with reverence. Many things related to these people's living, such as different types of markets, also are part of these fairs. Jejuri in Pune district and Madi in Ahmednagar district are places of pilgrimage. They are also known for their donkey markets. At Malegaon, another place of pilgrimage in Nanded district, a market is held for donkeys and horses. Places come to know for these reasons such as this. Try this. Find the names of persons, places, relations, animals, and vegetables hidden in the puzzle alongside. Anand, Devika, Deepak, Nanded, sister, niece, sheep, spinach. What we have learned from this lesson? Many settlements merged together and formed a village. As farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. Some places become known for their historical buildings. A place gets its renown from its people and their important deeds. Essential items are available in a market. Thank you.